Hello. Magandang araw and welcome. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo, at dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading. Ngayon na, mismo. Yes, I'm back sa Tagalog love reading after posting an English love reading like 2 days ago yata. Tama. So, yes, and today, what we're going to do is new love reading dahil new season ngayon, season na ng Leo. So, this new season, this Leo season, tingnan natin ano yung inyong new love reading, lalo na sa mga naghahanap ng bagong pag-ibig, alright, or into new love at the moment, at para ito sa lahat ng air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, hello sa lahat ng air signs. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa inyong lahat na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Sobrang appreciated po ng inyong love and support. So, sana patuloy niyo pong supportahan by liking this video. It helps the channel grow. Comment na rin sa baba, lalo na kung nag-resonate ang reading after nyo mapanood hanggang dulo. At sa mga bago, if this reading resonates, or if I connect with you, and you also want to support my channel, sana mag-subscribe na rin kayo dahil, marami pa akong ipopost na videos, and para mag-grow din yung aking channel, yun nga, marami pa akong magawang love readings for everyone. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin ay bubunot ako ng 5 pairs. So, I'll get 5 cards from this deck, and then 5 cards from the other deck, and then interpret natin siya. Okay? And as I always remind in my channel, okay, that this is a collective and general love reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. So just take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Kapag hindi talaga siya nag-resonate, huwag nating pilitin. Ibig sabihin, hindi para sa inyo itong reading na ito, hindi ko nasagap yung energy ninyo. Abangan na lang natin yung mga susunod ko pang love readings. And best talaga to book a personal private love reading dahil nakatune in sa energy ninyo. Nasa description box lang naman yung email address ko. So, message lang kayo, mag-reply naman ako agad. And gusto kong invite din ng lahat to follow my Instagram page, Mystico Moreno. Yun. So, you can also message me there. Saka, nagpo-post ako din ng mga card pulls, saka yung mga schedule kung may mga upcoming pop-ups akong pupuntahan. So, you can do a face-to-face reading with me. Alright. So, and then by the end of the reading, bubunot ako ng isang pair from this oracle deck, and that would be the advice of the universe, final advice and guidance, message from the universe after the reading. Okay? So, I'll get the 7th card kasi July pa rin naman ngayon. First, second, third, fourth, and 5th card. Paired with first, second, third, and last. Okay, bunot na rin ako ng oracle card. Okay, now let's begin. So, for air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, let's see the first pair. Okay. So, this new love, okay, this new person is a very secure person with the 9 of coins, tapos paired pa siya with the King of Wands. This is a very stable person, very secure. So, wala siyang mga triggers na sa insecure, na magpapa-insecure sa kanya. Okay, and very independent itong person na to. Meaning, I can see here na financially independent, financially stable itong person na to. And, alam mo yun, yung may financial freedom din in a way. So, I would say na kung hindi mayaman, pero very capable siya. I mean, hindi rin siya yung tipo na nagkikikahos na person. Okay? And also very with the King of Wands here kasi it's a card of being proactive. Ano mo yun? Yung what they want, they desire, what they're passionate about, talagang makita mo na they're putting it into action. And very bold din tong person na to. Kaya nung nakilala mo siya, pwedeng for some of you na parang, nakakapanibago na may proactive person when it comes to showing love. And very bold din sa mga actions or sa mga sinasabi. Kasi King of Wands has this energy of honesty as well. So, kapag may gusto silang sabihin, hindi na sila paligoy-ligoy pa. Pag may gusto silang gagawin nila. Kasi alam na nila na makakatulong yun din sa relationship. May mga iba kasi na hanggang salita lang pero walang gawa. But this person, aside from saying it, this person is acting on it as well. Okay, and maganda yung magiging relationship dynamics ninyo with this new person. Okay, very full of una, hindi magiging problema ang pera. Pangalawa, hindi rin magiging problema ang yung pag-show ng emotion, affection. Okay, kasi yun nga, very secure tong person na tayo. Saka kung alam niya yung ayaw at gusto niya sa relationship. So, sure na sure siya sa mga gusto niya. Kaya, kung ikaw, unsure ka pa sa mga gusto mo, this new person will ask you to reflect on it. At alamin kung ano talaga yung gusto mo at ayaw mo sa relationship dahil siya matagal nang alam niya and nakikita niya kasi yung potential sa'yo and dahil gusto ka nitong tao na to, gusto rin niya malaman na at makita na sure ka rin sa gusto mo sa isang relationship and he or she would want a secure person as well. So I can see here that your person is something that you can also really rely on. Okay? Kasi maganda nga kaysa yung kaysa sa isang tao na parang ang gulo kausap, hindi alam yung gagawin, punong-puno ng insecurities. Ganun. So, this person is something na talagang good catch, I would say. Okay. I can see here na mayroong someone would try to um, na manggulo sa new love. I think someone in the past, I can sense here that someone from your past will try to ruin or manggulo kasi hindi siya happy na may new love ka na. Okay, so ingat ka lang dito kasi here with the Five of Cups is a card of loss and sadness and regret. Someone in the past is very sad and sobrang nare-regret yung nangyari. And that's why now that he or she found out na meron kang new love, okay, this person will try to intervene or do something na ika-delay or ikagugulo ng current new love situation na meron ka ngayon. So, careful ka kapag nagparamdam to or nagpakita to or alam mo na, may mga gulong nangyayari. Highly likely for some of you is this person na hindi happy ka, na hindi masaya na may bago ka ng iba. Okay? So, yeah. So, watch out for it. Okay? Kasi, yeah, that's lalo na itong past person with the devil energy here. Sobrang kabaliktaran siya nitong King of Wands. Kaya din siguro hindi kayo nagkatuluyan, kaya may breakup na nangyari, which is with the Five of Coins. And, parang siya magiging quote-unquote kontrabida sa pag-proceed ng inyong relationship with this new person. Okay? So, you have to be strong din and you have to be firm din sa mga gusto mo. Kaya din gusto mong makita ng new person mo. Ano ba yung talagang gusto mo sa isang relationship? Because if this is what you want, you have to do something about it kung may mga unsure ka pa and all. Kasi kapag unsure ka, madali kang masway at madali kang malito lalo na kung may devil na umaalig-aligid sa iyo. Okay? And the next spell. Hermit and Six of Swords. Okay. Yeah, with the Hermit, I think, yeah, medyo for you, ikaw yung unsure pa dito sa new love na to. And may tendency ka nga talagang masway. I think, lalo na may dalawang tao na gusto ka at ayun, medyo maguguluhan ka sa sitwasyon. Kailangan, you will be needing space. I think, parang for both, dahil nga naguguluhan ka sa sitwasyon, meron taong gustong makuha ka ulit, and may isang tao na gusto ka rin na maging part ng life niya. Okay? Pero ikaw, meron akong nafe-feel dito na indecisiveness. So, you will do some reflection, soul searching, you will process your emotion, ano ba talaga itong nararamdaman mo. Pero what I can see here, you have to walk away from something. And I think that's the yung fears. May mga fears ka kasi na kaya naguguluhan ka rin sa gustong mangyari sa isang relationship. Okay? Possible na i-tempt ka pa nga nitong past person na to, and may tendency ka rin na masway. So, careful lang, and Yes, that's a reminder na alam mo naman dito sa um, time mo alone, sa alone time mo, sa time mo para mag-isip-isip, para magnilay-nilay, mag-reflect, magmuni-muni, alam mo naman din na ano yung gusto mo. Deep down inside of you, alam mo yung gusto mo and alam mo na you have to really walk away from the past events, experiences, relationship, persons, because yun yung possible pa kasi na i-regret mo siya kapag hindi mo na-let go yung past that it's not really helping you or serving you anymore. Kasi baka maging missed opportunity itong new love na dumating sa life mo. Okay? So, you have to really understand yourself. Ano ba talaga yung gusto mo? Alamin mo. You have to sit down, reflect, meditate on it, what you really want. And masasagot mo siya on your own. Although, if you need help or guidance, you can ask your friends, your family, your best friend, di ba? On how to go with this. Okay, pero ang decision pa rin nasa sa'yo. You can take their advice and reflect on their advices as well. Pero, ikaw talaga yung mag-decide. Kasi, relasyon mo yan eh. Okay? Hindi naman yan relasyon ng iba. Madaling mag-advise kapag wala ka sa situation. Pero pag ikaw yung nasa situation, di ba? You have to really weigh the pros and cons. Okay, kung ngayon na may pinagpipilian kang dalawang tao din. Okay. Tingnan mo yung pros and cons. Pag mas mabigat yung pros dun sa isang person, then you know that you have to walk away from the other. Alright, so fourth pair. Yeah. So here, as you can see with the High Priestess and Page of Cups, si High Priestess kasi is a card of intuition. Okay? Yung trusting your gut feeling. Let your intuition guide you, as I always say sa mga nagpaparead at lumalabas si High Priestess, na it's a reminder na you have to follow your intuition kasi your intuition is guiding you. Kapag yung gut feeling nyo dun sa isang person is, alam mo yun, natitrigger kayo or may bad feeling kayong nararamdaman, alam nyo na there's a bad energy or negative energy na nararamdaman niyo. Okay, nararamdaman ng sarili mong energy na it's not good. So, if it's not good, you have to avoid it. Diba? And not entertain it and not allow it to come to your life dahil maapektuhan din yung energy mo. Okay? And your life, diba? Dahil na negative energy siya. So, and alam mo naman din, you have the information. If you're in this situation, again, this is a collective, so everyone of you who has a similar, not really exact, pero nasa similar situation kayo, alam nyo rin na may information kayo, okay, na kayo lang din nakakaalam, na will help you in your decision of which one to walk away. Diba? And very kita naman sa opening ko pa lang that this new love is a stable, secure, and someone that you can rely on, depend on, di ba? Bakit magdadalawang isip ka pa kapag dumating itong person na ang intention naman ay manggulo at for his or her own sake lang naman, para sa sarili niyang kapakanan, kaligayahan, di ba? And not actually for your own happiness. Kasi, di ba? Alam mo naman yung nagkaroon ka ng experience, bakit naguguluhan ka pa? Okay? And with the Page of Cups here, yeah, it's ito, you know that Page of Cups is a new beginning for you. Okay? Uh, when it comes to love, emotions, and similar, and it's just saying that your intuition is telling you to um, choose this new love. Okay? Page of Cups is a fresh start, quote unquote new. And Cups is about emotions, loving, of caring, being affectionate. So it's pointing you already to the new person and not to the devil. Okay? And last pair. Yeah. With the Nine of Cups showing up here, there will be triumph. Okay? And I can sense here na there will be some fulfillment and contentment sa magiging right decision mo. And again, kung makikita mo may Four of Coins dito, which is a card of jealousy. Well, hayaan mo na yung taong magsiselos. Okay? You cannot control someone's feelings. Pero, I can see here that dun sa victory or triumph na mangyayari sa life mo, okay, upon doing the right thing or choosing the right or having the right decision, okay, ito mag-lead kasi yung tamang decision will lead you to this fulfillment, this satisfaction, this victory or triumph in love. Okay? Yeah, may may magsiselos, may mainggit, may hindi matutuwa, pero hindi mo na problema yun. Okay? Your concern now is your own happiness. And if other people are not happy that you're happy, okay, then the more it proves na they shouldn't be part of your life. Okay, dahil hindi sila masaya na masaya ka. Okay? So, ayan, sana nakatulong itong reading na to. If this reading resonated or nagme-make sense sa inyo, okay, this is just insight and guidance para sa inyo. Always use my reading with discernment. Kasi, ayan, hindi naman siya talaga like set in stone, parang gano'n. Again, energy is fluid. Again, nasa mga decisions ninyo, choices ninyo, we all have free will and nasa kamay naman natin talaga ang ating kapalaran. So, this reading, kung nasa situation kayo na to, is just giving you awareness, some insights, and guidance sa mga next steps ninyo. Okay? So, final pair. So, Oracle card, advice and message from the universe. Yeah. So, yeah, have a sense of pride. Bakit ka pa babalik, friend, sa isang relasyon na alam mo namang minamanipula ka lang at alam mo naman na saka nilet go mo na to, ibig sabihin hindi ka na talaga happy. So, kasi the moment na bumalik ka doon, parang, ay, ano yun? Nasaan yung, pride mo? Diba? Sa, yung, with the thoughtfulness card showing up here, it's just saying din na, kung paano ka maging thoughtful sa taong mga mahal mo sa buhay, your family, your closest friends, your best friends, show it to yourself as well. Yun yung gusto nyo parating ng universe sa'yo. How thoughtful are you sa ibang friends? You're showing concern, you're showing care. Show it to yourself. And makakatulong yun sa decision na kailangan mong gawin. At mas makakagaan pa yun ng loob mo na talagang totally nilet go mo ang ibang tao na alam mo naman na hindi magpapasaya sa'yo. Okay? So, yeah, para sa lahat ng air signs, sana nakatulong ito. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Yan. Kita-kits. Ingat.